Welcome. So now it's time to assemble my Einhell 2025 table saw and put it to some work. As I expected, this saw really has some limitation and quality issues. But the motor in here and the bevel and the height adjustment mechanism seems decent enough so that I can put it to use. So the plan is, and was from the beginning, to go make a style on this saw and try to enhance it to some decent standard. But first, we have to assemble it. Reading the instruction manual. Pictures. Okay. Point 6. Assembling. I'm reading this in Swedish, so let's see how that goes. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is assemble the legs. But I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to use the legs, I'm going to use this on the table. And then the second point is to mount the extension, the board extensions. But I'm going to skip that too also because, well, let's see when I put them in place. Okay, so now it's time to mount the protection for the blade. Okay. So it's this one, and I'm going to mount it on the riving blade, the riving knife. So you're going to put it on here. Okay. So it's actually a square fitting here, going into the square fitting here, so I can't put the screw in either direction. I have to go like this. Okay, that was that. Now let's see. Then the next point is to replace this sawing pane, or whatever it is called in English, if it's damaged. But I mean, this saw is new, so why should it be damaged? I don't think it is, so I'll leave that for now. The next one is to adjust this riving knife. So I'm going to raise the blade to maximum height. And lock it in place. Which I don't know how to do. Doesn't have a locking. Okay, so to do this I have to unmount this again. So this is coming in the wrong direction. So the adjustment to be done is to ensure that the riving knife is this is crazy. The riving knife should be 10 centimeters, roughly 10 centimeters above the table. Let's check that. Well, it's not. Need to just adjust that. So I have to remove this. It's an ordinary kryssskruv, as we say in Swedish. Don't know the English word for that. It's the one with only 4 ones, it's no extra stuff in here. So I lift that out. Okay, and there's a nut in here. Now we should be able to loosen that bolt down there. Let's see which one it is. It's that one. Okay, so this should be roughly 10 centimeters. Somewhere there. It's actually fixed in this direction, so I think I put it as close as I dare to. The distance between the blade and the riving knife should be 3 to 5 millimeters, and I actually can't adjust it very much. I'm just going to put it in the nearest position I can get it. Just fasten this screw here. Let's see what we have. That's 4. It's between 3 and 4 there. I think that's roughly 4 too. The height should be roughly 10 centimeters to the highest point. So there you have it. And now we can put this plate back. So it has a locking tongue there, a slot going in there. So, and the screw here. Just put in the screw. Now we can put this back. So it's so okay. So the screw has a square edging on the inside, and there's a square edging here. So I actually can put the screw in any way I want, and it will lock on this side. I actually feel better to have it the other way around. I don't know why, but it just feels more correct to have it on this side. Maybe because I'm right-handed, so. And this should be loose enough so that it falls down, but not. So this is too hard. No, that's perfect. According to the instruction manual, this saw is ready to be used, but I actually can't because I haven't mounted the legs, and I'm going to use it on this table, and I need to fasten it somehow down here, and I probably need to use the extension boards for my first cuts on this until I build something else to use it with. So yeah, let's do that.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing. Just grab a cup of coffee and enjoy.